Hey, if you're looking to get an SBA loan and you have questions about what lender should I reach out to? What lenders like to lend to businesses like mine or in industries like mine or stages of business? Some lenders like startups, some like acquisitions, some like existing businesses only in certain industries. How do you find the right lender? So that's a big question that folks have. If you're wondering, what are the documents I'm going to need to pull together? How can I be well prepared? What can I do to improve my approval chances? All of these key questions that you might be wondering, and you might be worried that you're not going to be able to answer the lender's questions. All of these things are legitimate concerns, and I want to help put you at ease with these questions. So I spent 10 years, a little over 10 years, as the executive director of an SBA lender in Indiana. And we made over 1,500 SBA loans to small businesses across the state during my time there. So I have a lot of experience looking at SBA loan deals and walking clients through the process and what they're going to need. And so a couple years ago, I stepped down from that role as an SBA lender to focus full-time on my business here, Projection Hub, where we focus on helping people with financial projections for loan applications and also for raising capital from investors. But today, specifically, want to talk about our SBA loan prep service. So we have kind of, due to popular demand, we've had a lot of folks reaching out to us asking for help with projections, help with a business plan for an SBA loan. But one of the things that we've had recently is we've had folks that have come to us that they already have projections, they already have a business plan pulled together, but they have questions about the SBA loan process. They don't know where to go to get those questions answered. They want somebody that is going to be in their corner, be able to help support and answer their questions along that process. So that is why we came up with this SBA loan prep service offering. So I would just kind of walk through what we're offering here. The goal here is to help you be confident about your application before you apply. We want to make sure that you're prepared. We want to help you avoid red flags, help you pick the right lender. So we've just had tons of clients that have just wasted so much time because maybe they picked the bank personally thinking that that's going to help them. The way you really want to do this is based on data. So the SBA makes publicly available SBA loan data and SBA lender specific data. So we can dig into that data by state and by industry, and we can look and see, okay, you want to start a laundromat in Texas? Okay, what banks, what lenders like to make loans to laundromats in Texas? And we can show you that data and help point you in the direction to a lender that's going to be the most experienced. So we're not a loan broker. We're not making introductions. We don't really know a whole host of lenders that we're going to point you to. We're just using the publicly available SBA loan data to show you what the data says and then tell you to go from there, right? So we have a tool that analyzes and makes it easy to sort and filter that data to find the right lender. And then one of the things that clients really like to utilize us for is just these lender questions. So a lot of times, probably every week, I get an email from a client that says that lender asked me these 3 questions in underwriting and I don't know how to answer them. Can you help me? And so, that's something I have a lot of experience with, is kind of being the interpreter from what the underwriter, the banker is asking you and saying, how should you respond? What do they actually mean? What are they getting at with that question? I'm going to help you walk through that. So, that's a service that we've decided to just offer as a standalone service. So even if we're not helping you with your projections, even if we're not helping you with your business plan, but you just want to have access to us and our team with just helping you through that SBA loan process, that's what we're here for. So I wanted to also just mention here that we are offering kind of this SBA ready bundle. So I've just been talking about our SBA loan prep service, which we offer as a standalone service for $699. And that means I'm going to be here with you throughout the process of, preparing to go to a lender, to present to a lender. I can review what your loan application packet before you present to a lender, make sure you feel confident about that presentation, and then be with you along the way as you're trying to find and secure an SBA loan. So that is that SBA loan prep service. Now, we have this SBA Ready bundle. So sometimes folks will say, well, I don't have a business plan or a projection either, and the bank is asking me for projections and a business plan as well. And so we sell a projection fill out service and a business plan service where we'll write the narrative of the business plan for you. We will fill out the projections for you based on your specific plan. So we're not making up the business plan. It's your plan and what you're looking to do with the business, but we are going to ask the right questions and help get it into the right format that's going to help you be SBA and lender ready. That's our specialty. So if you were to kind of move forward with us with all three of these offerings, we, rather than charge you $699 for each, we're doing a bundle discount here for a total of $1,699, and we'll work through that process with you. So that is the service. Hope that you would ask us any questions that you have about this particular service. So we'll be available. You can reach out to us at support@ProjectionHub.com or leave us a comment in the video comment section in the video below. If you go into the description of the video, you'll be able to find both our contact information as well as a link to this page here that I've been displaying, so you can learn a little bit more and review this SBA loan prep service. So we hope that's helpful, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks.